Welcome! Today, we'll explore how to reverse your video clips in Clipchamp. Let's dive right in. First, open Clipchamp and select your video. Upload it easily from your device or your cloud storage. Click on the video timeline. Here, you can edit and manipulate your clips with precision. Now, look for the reverse option on the right-hand side. It's really that simple. After clicking reverse, you'll see your clip transform instantly. Preview it to check how it looks. Once satisfied, hit export to save your masterpiece. Share it for everyone to enjoy. And that's it. You just reversed a video using Clipchamp. Simple and fun, right? Try experimenting with different clips to see how creative you can get. The possibilities are endless. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy tutorials. Happy editing! Join us next time for more tips and tricks to enhance your video projects in Clipchamp. Leave your comments below on what you'd like to learn next. We value your input. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.